Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to another In the Post. This is In the Post 17. It's quite a short one. I have only 4 items to show you. And this is the first one, The Last Vampire Live On. It came from the Westminster Coins and it is the Dracula series. There are 5 50p's from Gibraltar in this set. I will go through the set in depth, give you a quick look. There you go, there's the 5 coins. Give you a quick look at those, and that is a set that I wanted to include in the Halloween video that I did, but they didn't arrive on time, so I will be doing this as a second Halloween one in the near future. Now the other 3 items are all to do with the same 2 coins. First off, we have 2 blue cards that came in a set of 2 inside a plastic bag. This is the £5 and the 50p memorial coins. The interesting thing about this one is, if we just look at the big £5 one, look who's on the front, look who's on the first side. Yeah, they're the first coins to come out with Prince Charles on, as the Prince Charles, or as he's now, King Charles III. So it's a unique coin, it's the first of them. There's that one there, the 50p, and the 50p one there. The other 2 I have is the bunk packs up for the same coins. There's the £5 one, and there is the 50p one. These 2 bunk pack ones are from the Royal Mint. The blue card versions are from the come from the Westminster Coins. Of course, when you get Westminster Coins, you get a card. Now, in the last 6 coins or stuff that I bought from Westminster Coins that qualify for a trading card, I have 5 diversities. I believe I'm just 1 short of the full set, and I am going to be doing a a trading card update and show you the spares I've got. So that will be coming up shortly as well. Now, sorry, that wrong way. If I just bring in all this stuff now, you got the 2 memorial coins, which are the most important. You have a set of Dracula coins. Dracula. We have a diversity, and then we have 2 blue cards. That's it for this particular set, or for this particular In the Post. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give me the thumbs up. Also, please, if you would, could you think about subscribing if you haven't done already. I hit my target of 100 by Christmas about a month ago now. I am looking still to improve that. I want to improve my subscription level. So if you haven't already done so and you believe I deserve it, go and watch another couple of videos and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you along for the rest of my ride through coins, banknotes, militaria, and the odd collectible or 2. So I do 4 videos a week. Hopefully in that 4 videos you find something that you want to watch. And until we meet up again, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins that you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now. Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins. I have an addendum, an extra part to add on to the In the Post 17, and this is it. I forgot to put it in. I put these coins in this bag and put them to one side because they're brand new coins to me that I found in my change and one that a friend of mine had. The first two, if we can have them, are 70p's, are the 70-year Platinum Jubilee coins. There's two of them. These were both found in my change, or given to me in my change when I said could I have a few 50p's in my change, and the two of them came together in the change. Also in the change that day I had one of these. Well, it was a different shop, but it was the same day. I managed to get a Peter Rabbit, and it's the Radish Muncher. It's a 2018 coin, and again I'm very happy to have it. And the last one was another Radish Muncher, Peter Rabbit, and this one my friend had given to him in his change. And he sort of phoned me excitedly and said, I'm on my way round, I've got something to show you. And he showed me this and said, give us 50p for it, I know you collect them. So I did. So I've been very lucky in this last week. I picked up 4 coins, 2 of each of one very rare one and one that we've spent a special time this year celebrating, being the Platinum Jubilee. So that was just an addendum, an extra little bit. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed it, and all I have to say is thank you. I hope you have found your coins that you're looking for in hunts. If you've bought coins, I hope you've bought the coins you want at the price you want to pay. Please tune into one of my 4 videos each week, or as 4 videos that I do as a minimum each week. You got your choice of different things that I tend to do. And lastly, thank you for watching, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done already. I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, militaria and collectibles. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye for now. Ta-da.